Good morning. Welcome to the class of history of class 8. This is chapter 4 and part 4 video, page number 41. You can open page number 41. We are discussing causes of the American War of Independence. This is the last cause, that is Lord North's tea policy and the Boston Tea Party. After that we will be discussing beginning of the war, and after that the course of the war. All these points we will be discussing in this very video. So let's start with Lord North's tea policy and Boston Tea Party. The decision of the British government to continue the tax on tea was vehemently opposed by the Americans. Lord North also authorized the East India Company to export tea directly to America. This move added spark to the already existing fire. Means the Lord North policy to export tea directly to America added spark to the fire that was existing in America. On 16 December 1773, a group of people disguised as coolies boarded the ship of the East India Company in the Boston harbor and dumped 340 chests of tea into the sea. This incident became famous as the Boston Tea Party and was the immediate cause of the American War of Independence. So, what is the contribution of Lord North? That he authorized the East India Company to export tea directly to America. Means first that was exported via England. Now Lord North authorized to export directly to America. This was the contribution of Lord North that inspired the fire of revolution, war in America. And next, the Boston Tea Party, in which the ship of East India Company, where tea was loaded, the carrots of the tea was loaded in the ship, which was thrown by the coolies in the sea, and this became the immediate cause for the American War of Independence. Boston Tea Party is very important, not for your examination point of view, but for the competitive point of view also, because it is the immediate cause of the American War of Independence also. And this question is very VBI question for every examination. So you should learn by heart what is Boston Tea Party, when it occurred, and what is the cause of Boston Tea Party. Next, beginning of the war. First point, the last point of causes of the American War of Independence is over. Next we will be discussing beginning of the war. Right? How did the war begin? The British government now took stern measures against the Massachusetts, but all the colonies united together to support and help Massachusetts. The conference of the representatives of the 13 colonies was convened in Philadelphia on 5th September 1774. An appeal was made to the British ruler, King George III, to lift the restriction on the trade and not to impose any further taxes without the consent of the colonies. Means there was a convention of the members of representative of 13 colonies at Philadelphia on 5th September 1774. On 5th September 1774, there was convention of representatives of 13 colonies of America, in which the appeal was made to the king, which king? The King George III, to lift the restriction on trade and not to impose any further tax, to repeal the restriction, to lift the restriction on trade and not to impose any further taxes without the consent of the colonies. मतलब कोई भी टैक्स बिना कॉलोनी के कंसेंट मतलब सहमति के नहीं लगाने के लिए आग्रह किया गया. किसके द्वारा? कॉलोनीज के द्वारा. The representative also threatened to boycott the use of British goods if their demands were not met. उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि वो ब्रिटिश गुड को बायकॉट करेंगे अगर उन्होंने उनकी बात नहीं मानी. King George III regarded this as a revolt and sent British troops to suppress the colonies. इसको ब्रिटिश किंग ने सप्रेस करने के लिए आर्मी को भेजा. Battles ensued between the British troops and the colonies at Lexington and Concord on 14th April, in which the volunteers of both the colonies and the British troops were killed. The incidents marked the beginning of the War of Independence. मतलब कॉलोनीज के वॉलंटियर्स और ब्रिटिश ट्रूप्स के वॉलंटियर्स के बीच में क्लैश होता है, एंड दिस मार्क द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द वॉर. इस तरह वॉर शुरू हो जाता है, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज कोर्स ऑफ द वॉर. Soon after, the another conference of the colonies was convened in Philadelphia on 10th May 1775. It was presided by John Hancock, a rich businessman. In the conference, John Washington was appointed as the commander-in-chief of America. The colonists resolved to take up arms and fight for their freedom. In this very conference, George Washington was appointed as the commander-in-chief of America. At that time, America was a colony, and George Washington was appointed commander-in-chief, who later became the president of Free America, that is United States of America. The colonists resolved to take up arms and fight for their freedom. उन्होंने ये तय किया कि अब हम हथियार उठाएंगे और अपनी आज़ादी के लिए लड़ाई लड़ेंगे. King George III tried to suppress the colonists by the use of force and declared them as rebels. उनको रिबेल्स, विद्रोही घोषित करते हैं राजा. ब्रिटेन के राजा जो रिबेल्स हैं, जिनका नेतृत्व वॉशिंगटन कर रहे थे, जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन, उनको विद्रोही घोषित करते हैं. On 4th July 1776, the representative of the colonies declared the independence of the 13 colonies and approved the Declaration of Independence at Philadelphia. The declaration asserted that the common people had full rights to elect the government of their choice. The colonies had suffered for long, and now they would fight for their independence. द डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस में ये कहा गया कि कॉलोनीज को ये पूरा अधिकार है कि वो अपने चॉइस का गवर्नमेंट इलेक्ट करे, अपॉइंट करे, और दे विल फाइट फॉर देयर फ्रीडम. द सीरीज ऑफ बैटल टुक प्लेस बिटवीन कॉलोनिस्ट एंड द ब्रिटिश फोर्सेज. द बैटल ऑफ बंकर हिल वाज द फर्स्ट पिच्ड बैटल ऑफ अमेरिका वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. बैटल ऑफ बंकर हिल जो था वो फर्स्ट पिच्ड वॉर था बिटवीन अमेरिकन्स and the British forces for the American War of Independence. It was fought on June 17 sorry. It was fought on June 17, 1775. It was fought on June 17, 1775. Actually, the majority through the British won. Actually, the majority of combat took place on Breed's Hill near Boston. Though the British won, yet the good performance of the untrained Americans provided considerable impetus to the revolution. इसे रिवोल्यूशन को बहुत बल मिला. भले ही ब्रिटेन जीत गया इस बंकर हिल के बैटल में, भले ही ब्रिटेन जीत गया, लेकिन इसको बहुत बल मिला, अमेरिकन्स को बहुत बल मिला. After a long fight, the American War of Independence finally ended in AD 1783, in which American colonists won independence from British rule. बाद में अमेरिकन कॉलोनीज को इंडिपेंडेंस मिला फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश कॉलोनियल रूल. इट इज कॉल्ड द अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. इसी को अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस कहा जाता है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. दिस इज द कोर्स ऑफ वॉर. It began with the appointment of George Washington as the commander-in-chief of 13 colonies of America, and it ended with the victory of America against British and the gaining of independence in the American War of Independence. The next topic is the course of war is over. I think time is over. Time is about to over. So we will be discussing in next topic the Pact of Paris of AD 1783 and birth of the United States of America in the next topic, and cause for the failure of the British and significance of American Revolution. These three topics are left in this very chapter that we will be discussing in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.